share a quick little update on this really bizarre looking plant that I had to do a little plant lookup on, but I just noticed the honeybees, a little blurry here, finally using this. So it's been really slow to bloom, and by slow I mean like this thing started growing like back in April, and now these two little honeybees are fighting over that bloom. And now we are in early July, and I did a little plant lookup on this, and it's some type of thistle from Scotland. I'll get the exact Latin name in a moment, but it's about 9 to 10 feet tall. It started as a little spiky. You can kind of see there's all these spikes all over here. And after I identified it, I told Mike not to mow it down because it's a really great nectar producer. It's supposed to be really, really good. So I want to research some more about like how this grows and like if I could potentially save seed from it, because it requires zero maintenance. You can see there's going to be so many blooms on it. So many are about to come. So when it starts to bloom, the little purple comes out. So none of these have bloomed yet, just the few that you see here. And so from one plant, it's producing so much, and the bumblebees have been fighting over it. Today's the first day that I've seen the honeybees on it. And you know, now in July in this in the south here, at least in the North Carolina region of the south, it's a time of dearth, and there's not a lot of food available for the bees. So I really like that. These guys are really spoiled. I just brought some blueberries out here. They're just hanging out, just taking a quick lunch break, giving them some time to play before some thunder rolls in. But yeah, just a quick little update. Thought this was a cool plant, and I'll share that name in a moment. I looked it up, and it's called spear thistle. It's also known as bull thistle. And the reason I was thinking of Scotland is because when I read about this earlier, it happens to be the flower of Scotland. And probably for most folks, like my husband said, he's seen this when he was a kid, but I've never seen it before. It is in the aster family. I'll share the official genus and species. But I hadn't seen it before, and maybe when I've seen it, it hasn't been this giant, so it really catches my eye. But simple, weed that you could just kind of have in a strategic place where it's not going to bother anything, and it's free food for the pollinators.